Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in perspective drawing series. In this video, we are going to learn a quick perspective hack through which you will be able to draw the 2-point perspective grid in the most easiest way, and this can be done in like say under 2 or 3 minutes tops. So we all know how important perspective drawing grids are, because once you get a hang of it and if you start using it as an underlay, you will be able to draw like literally anything you want. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, as usual, we have a blank sheet of paper over here, and what I'm going to do is just divide the edge of the page into equal segments. I'll just go ahead and divide this into equal centimeters. So it's like 1, 2, 3. And on the other side of the page, what I'm going to do is divide every 2 centimeters. So 2, 4. Now, what you're going to do is just connect these things. So the first marking with the first marking over here, and just keep on drawing these lines over here. And once you connect all of this, you're going to end up with a bunch of lines that goes to the right vanishing point. It's as simple as that. There's no complicated methods over here or calculations or anything of that sort. You can have a very quick perspective grids. I'll just go ahead and complete this, and last one. Now what you're going to do to get the perspective lines which are going to the left vanishing point, let's go ahead and divide this as well into like equal centimeters, like every 1 centimeter. So 1, 2, and we already have for 2 here. So let's say 3. I'll make it as O's over here. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and 17. Now, with the first marking that we have here, the empty marking, we are going to connect to the second marking over here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So take the first one and connect to the second marking. This, and take the next marking and connect to the fourth marking over here. This, and take the next marking and like this, every alternate marking on the right side and every other marking on the left side. Well, if you want to know how to draw a perfect grid in 2-point perspective by something called as a Brewer method, I have already made a video on that. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can go ahead and check it out. By the way, this is also a very accurate method which doesn't involve the complexities that is involved in drawing the Brewer method. Well, that's it. So you have a perfect grid in 2-point perspective. And if you want to just extend this, that's also pretty simple. Just take the next marking over here and just try to maintain the same amount of distance that you have over here, and just try to replicate it over here. So I'll just take this line and just try to estimate the amount of distance over here and just make a line. So that's it for this technique. It's a pretty straightforward technique, and As you just saw, this can be achieved under like 5-minute timeline. So, and once you have this, you can just darken these lines and keep it as an underlay and just do your perspective drawings using this grid as an underlay. And one more thing is that you need not have the same measurements that I had, that is of 1 centimeters each. You can have any any divisions as you like, but just keep them constant. So, and by doing so, you can vary the angle of these lines. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. uh, I hope you understood, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below. Until my next one, see ya. Bye bye.